Hey guys, today we're going to unbox the Bushnell Forge binoculars. These are an 8x42 binocular, so let's get into it. So as you can see on the box, has a nice picture of the binocular, all the features that are in there. Has a magnetic closure that opens up, and like all the other Prime Nitro Forge products that you've seen, it has a quick start guide is the first thing that you see when you open the box. So this walks you through the different parts of your binocular and some of the features that it has. And then if you flip it over, it actually has instructions on how to set your eye relief, your focus, as well as your single eye adjustment. So this is just a nice, quick, easy way to get going on the right foot with your new product. And if you have any further questions, the full manual is online on Bushnell.com. So as you get underneath the quick start guide, you'll see this. This is an EVA foam case. It's a semi-rigid case. It's soft enough that it doesn't damage anything in your vehicle if you're putting it in the glove box or something like that, but it does protect the binocular while you're transporting it. So if you open it up, you can see that it opens part way, but it is able to open all the way up. So we'll do that for demonstration. So let's start with the binocular itself. So the binocular is packed in a microfiber bag that you can use as a cleaning cloth. So that's a nice way to keep dust off the binocular if you don't have it in a hard case, and a good way to clean the lens if you don't have anything else. So the binocular itself, the objective covers are installed, and those are removable if you don't want them on there. And then the eyepiece cover is also installed while it's in the case. So the eyepiece cover is usually hooked onto your strap so that you can use it when it's raining or when they're hanging around your neck, and then you can just pop them off and they hang on the strap. But that's on the binocular as it ships. So walking through some of the accessories. The first accessory, this is included with all of our Forge binoculars, is a binocular harness. So most binoculars come with a case or a strap that goes around your neck. But if you're going to wear the binoculars for a long period of time, this harness does a good job of transferring the weight of the binoculars onto your shoulders instead of your neck. So it's a lot more comfortable if you're going to be wearing the binoculars in the field for a long period of time. It comes with quick release buckles. So you put those on the binocular, and then if you need to pass them to your friend or a family member, you can unclip them from your harness so you don't have to take it off to pass the binoculars. So that's a nice feature. The Forge binoculars also come with a neck strap. That's a pillow neck strap, so it's very comfortable to wear, just not quite as comfortable as the harness. And then the 10x30 variant of the binocular has a much smaller strap that's a lot more compact to go with the compact binocular. We have a strap for the case itself if you want to carry the case. And then finally, we have the Spuds cleaning cloth that you can clip onto your jacket or onto your bag, and it always gives you a cleaning cloth that's at your disposal. If you guys have any questions about the new Forge binoculars or any of our products, leave us a comment on the Facebook or Instagram post, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks.